All right, let's take a look at a beautiful dresser. If you guys could see, the gold knobs match actually the footing too. Now this is an MDF, it's solid. It has 6 drawers. Capacity can hold a lot of load. It's perfect for any kind of children's room, any vanity tables, any dressers that you want to set up in the actual bathroom. This is a perfect way to do it. Now the actual dresser took me about 30 to 25 minutes to actually complete. It does give you the Allen wrench and the tools that are necessary. Everything's numbered, everything's labeled, and well easy to set up. So if you guys can see, I have a couple things on top of it. You could put a mirror, like I said, a vanity table. You could have it as a vanity table here. You could set it up in any kind of area that you want. It could be a living room, your room, a children's room, and very solid, easy to use. I love the actual handles, the knobs, if you guys can see that. It matches the actual legs. Now, opening a drawer, the capacity could hold a lot of stuff in here. It's capable of handling a couple of loads too, weights, because a lot of people put towels in these things. These are perfect. It could hold up to maybe 6 to 7 towels the most on one of these drawers, and then you could set up however you want it. So easy to use, easy to set up. I hope you guys enjoy the video.